Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make flashcards to study. First, gather your materials, like sturdy index cards, ideally 3 by 5 inches. On one side, write a single question or concept. On the other, provide a concise answer using keywords or short phrases. This method helps you focus on one piece of information at a time, making recall much more effective. When creating your cards, focus on questions that demand active recall, not just recognizing an answer. For example, instead of "What is X?" ask, "Explain X." Visual learners can benefit greatly by adding simple diagrams or drawings. Remember to break down complex topics into several smaller, manageable cards. This prevents information overload and makes learning easier. To maximize your study time, review your flashcards frequently, ideally using a spaced repetition system. This means reviewing difficult cards more often. Always shuffle your cards before each session to avoid memorizing the order. Actively test yourself by attempting to recall the answer before flipping the card. This strengthens your memory and improves long-term retention. For more advanced studying, try creating separate piles for cards you know well versus those you need to review more. You can also use different colors or symbols to categorize information, like green for definitions and red for formulas. This adds another layer of organization. And hey, while you're optimizing your study habits, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. They're built to last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.